Hi guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to run a profile using the RPI software. So I'm going to go ahead to click on this button to run a profile. So over here at this page, you have to enter your product name. So for this video, I'm going to use product X as my product name. Next, you're going to have to select your process window that you have created. And then you have to select the application that you are using. So for this case, I'm using the solder reflow. So next. So next, at this page, you have to enter the oven set point that you have set for your reflow oven. So in this case, I'm using 100 degrees C for my first zone, 160 degrees C for my second zone, 180 degrees C for my third zone, 200 degrees C for my fourth zone, and 265 degrees C for my fifth zone. Okay. Next, you have to enter the conveyor speed that you have set for the reflow oven as well. Okay. After that, we're going to click on next. Okay, next, you have to attach the LTC to the leading edge of the board and connect it to the channel 1 of the profiler. Okay. After that, you have to attach the remaining thermocouples to the points that you wish to measure and then connect it to the remaining channels on the profiler. So once ready, you click on next. So at this page, you have to select or activate the thermocouples that you are going to use to run your profile. So by checking on this box, you activate the channels, okay, which means that you will start to record when you run the profile. So after that, you have to enter your board length in this field here. In this case, I'm using a 4.5 inch board. So I'm going to enter 4.5 inch here. Okay. So before you start running a profile, okay, at this point of time, we're going to load some boards into the reflow oven in order to simulate the production environment. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and load some boards into the reflow oven. So here I'm going to go ahead to load some boards into the reflow oven. So for illustration purpose, I will be using metal plates instead of actual PCB board to simulate and to show you the steps to load the boards into the reflow oven. So the amount of boards that you have to load into the reflow oven is entirely up to your process during your production. Okay, so you can set your own standard to determine how many boards you would like to load into the reflow oven to simulate the production environment. Okay, so for me, typically I will set about 5 to 6 boards, which I think will be sufficient enough to reflect the reflow oven condition during your production. Okay. So after you have loaded the boards, okay, you can go ahead to click on this start button to load your profile board as well as the profiler. Okay. So please ensure that your oven set point is within 2 degrees C, okay, before you click on the yes button. Okay. So please take note that you have to put your profile board and your profiler next. Okay, please do not load any other boards. Okay, from now onwards. Okay, so if you are using the data logger model, you have to unplug your download cable from the profiler. Okay, and then click on OK. So now you are ready to put your profile board and your profiler into the reflow oven. Okay, so please do so now. And then click on next. Okay, so right now we will wait for the profile to be ready, and then we will come back and go through on the profile. So after your profile board and your profiler exits the reflow oven, you can go ahead to download your profile data by connecting the USB cable to the profiler. Okay, so after the download, you will see a profile which looks something like this. Okay, so with this profile, you can go ahead to run your VP if you are using the RPI. Okay, if not, this will be the valid profile that reflects what is going on during your production period. Okay, so with that, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.